Good morning, everyone. To the panel, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I am Maribel Ponte from Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Technology and Livelihood Education. Today, I will be presenting my skills demonstration in cookery. And I will be cooking a chicken stew. And here is the order of our ingredients, the proper order. So that is what we call mise en place, preparing everything that is to be used in cooking. And here are the ingredients for our chicken stew. We have here 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, a chopped garlic, and a chopped onions. We have our chopped green chili, chopped red bell pepper, and our marinated chicken pieces. And here is our diced potato, and a salt and pepper. And we have chopped tomatoes and sliced garlic, and also we have our fresh coconut milk. It is a 1 cup. And lastly, our fresh malunggay leaves. So let us start now our cooking. First, we have to turn on our cooking pot. So we have to preheat our cooking pot so that the temperature of this will be ready. We will heat now our cooking oil. Cooking oil is already heated. Let us now saute our garlic. And add on our onions. Mix it for about 2 minutes. And let us add on our chopped green chili. And next is our red bell pepper. Mix it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now let us add on our marinated chicken pieces. Just mix it evenly for about 5 minutes or until the chicken meat will be turned into color brown. And to add more aroma to our chicken stew, let us add a sliced ginger. Just mix it well. We have ingredients is let us add in our diced potatoes. Soak it in water so it will not be turned color brown. We have to mix it. Let us cover this for about 3 minutes so the diced potatoes will be tender. And now, let us see if the potatoes are tender. Now let us add our chopped potatoes. So we have to mix it again. Next, we have to add our salt. And of course, we have to mix it again. Make sure that our salt will be evenly distributed to our dish. Let us now cover our dish and let us cook it for about 5 minutes for our tomatoes and potatoes are soft. Our potatoes is now tender, so let us add our fresh coconut milk. And mix it. So let us now cover our dish and let us cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes for the chicken meat will be tender. So let us now check if our chicken is already tender. Okay, it's now already tender. And let us taste if it is good already. Okay, its taste is already good, so we will not longer add salt and pepper. We will add only a small amount of lemon juice. lastly, let us now add our fresh malunggay leaves. Simmer it for about a minute or two. And now, our chicken stew is now ready. It is cooked already and done. Let us turn off our heat. And now we will transfer our chicken stew in our serving bowl. And now, our dish chicken stew is now done cooking.